Hey guys, I saw these guys spin around the block here with all these lights on. Was wondering what the hell's going on. Thought I'd come and check it out. So this would most likely be a call for service. Oh, we got another unit here. Glendale.
Can I help you? So you see what I'm saying? Your water line, your sprinklers are like struggling. So I think that's probably where your noise is coming from. See how like they're spreading? Do you have like a maintenance person? What part of maintenance?
Oh, so she was hearing noises.
Yeah, that's definitely the first I've heard of it. That's my guess because these are struggling. That makes the most sense. The guesses are like air in the lines or something like that. My guess. Yeah, absolutely. Like I checked the record. So my guess is call maintenance guy. I don't know if they have control over shutting that off. The air lines. I honestly don't know why it's listening. Well, it's shut off now. So you want me to go in and take a look? Okay, yeah, it's probably not making a noise now, is my guess. Yeah.
So she called, she was probably hearing noises. And called the police. So they pulled in here unaware of what was going on. I'm sure she told the dispatcher what type of noises she was hearing. So they relayed it to the police officers. They came whipping around this corner and I was right behind them because I seen them with all these lights on. It's like, what the fuck? And this guy is sitting here without his lights on in the dark. Now when he comes out, I'm gonna have to tell him it's their responsibility to close that CAD because of people like me who walk on a public sidewalk and can film it. But they pulled in here not knowing, so I'm sure they surveyed the area quickly, knocked on the door to find out why she called, And she explained to them, and as they walked by here, they heard the noises coming from the water sprinklers.
That's the first time I've seen that. As soon as I walked up, this whole sprinklers like that, like, oh, I bet you that's what. Hello, how you doing? You all right? Okay, you have a good night. God bless.
Gentlemen, you have a responsibility to protect those CADs. It's against the law for you not to. So that's all it was, guys. Now let's see if they try to look for my vehicle. They all know what I drive. And they have my license plate when they punch up my name under Spittin' Cobra or my actual name. My license plate, my arrest record, everything shows up. Because even this video here, once I post it, it goes onto a website in case they need to use it in court. And they do that, of course, with their training. They do that to show a judge that this is what this guy does. And they, they use it as, we don't think it's right that he does this. So now they got to sit here for a little while and say, this is what I thought when we came here, but it turned out to be nothing. Oh, they're sitting here trying to figure out how I knew they were coming here. There is no scanner. I wanted to let them know there is no scanner. Their radio talk, they have it, oh, how can I put it? The public can't listen to it. I don't know how they got that, because it is our right to know what they're doing. But yeah, I can't find, when I have the scanner, I can't find Glendale anywhere there. All right, guys, I gotta get my horse to work. Thanks for coming in. Spitting Cobra in Glendale. I am on 59th Avenue, just north of Camelback. I'm out.